Welcome to another video, guys. Just received a notification on my phone that the first part arrived, so I'm going to the post office to pick it up. Any ideas what it is? Just stay tuned. It's a first mod, so let the mods begin and let's go. We're at the post office right here. There we go. It's not very practical, as you can see, so I have to put one seat down. There we go. Yes, let's see how it works. So, can you guys guess what part is inside? This is my very first mod. You will see it later in the video, so don't go anywhere. So, just like that, we got the part in the back, as you can see. I'm going home and I will show you what it is and what my plan is with it, so don't go anywhere. So, I'll get you at home. Just like that, we're home, and it's a mail time. It's time to unpack this thing and show you guys what it is, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, here we go, let's unpack it. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Here we go. Oh, it's a box in the box. This is what we're looking for, not this, okay? It's really hard to do it at one hand, but here we go, guys, here we go. This part is ready for paint, but I'm not gonna paint it, I'm gonna wrap it. As you guys can see, it's that little wing that you put on the trunk lid on the BMW E82, and I'm gonna wrap it in this wrap. That's a 4D carbon fiber vinyl wrap, so it should be pretty easy to put it on, but yeah, I think it will look pretty sick. Let me show you on the sun. Yes, that looks amazing. Yep, so I'm going to wrap that wing with this carbon fiber wrap, so stay tuned for that because we're doing it in this video and we're putting it on the car in this video, so stay tuned. So I cut up my piece, everything is ready, so I will get my squeegee and let's get to it. just like that it's done. So after I use the heat gun and after I put it on the sun as well, like as you can see, I managed to bend it. It's the shape I really need. So next thing to do is to actually stick it on the car, so stay tuned and we will actually going to do that now. So yep, let's go. So it is actually the next day, and for some reason I didn't film it, but I already put the new part on the car, so the trunk lip spoiler is already on. Little sneak peek from here. I'm sure you guys can even see it from here. Yep, there we go. So let me show you how it looks, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Simple upgrade. We're doing baby steps, but you have to start somewhere. Here we go. Even from inside it looks pretty nice, makes it look better. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. This is the first mod, first of many, so don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss what I'm gonna do with the car, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Peace.